guys! Welcome back to a new vlog! I'm with Earl and the Kuya Win. So, bakit nga ba magkakasama kaming tatlo? At kasama ko na naman si Kuya Win. Actually, we're in somewhere and we're going to be trying out some really exotic food today. So, if you guys are into that and you would like to know more, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be informed of new videos that your girl uploads. So, for now, I'll talk to you in a while. So, bakit nga ba kami nandito sa Cavite? We're here at Cavite right now because we are going to try a different kind of Indian food from Mr. Vikram Singh. And Mr. Vikram is a food consultant and he's also a proprietor and ang dami niyang titles, guys, ang hirap sabihin. Pero sa totoo lang, guys, yung mga food na pinaprepare ni Mr. Vikram Singh sa amin today is something that I haven't tried before in my life. And one of the things I haven't told you guys is I've eaten a lot of Indian cuisines before. So it's very surprising that the dishes that he prepared for us is not from the usual kind of Indian dishes that is served in restaurants here in the Philippines. Kasi there are different kinds of Indian food. Like there's the North Indian or the Northern Indian side and the Southern or Southern Indian cuisines. Ano nga ba pagkakaiba ng iba? Pagkakaiba ng dalawang to, the Northern side tackles more on the spiciness, the chilies, overall, the similarities of both is they use all the spices. But in terms of the kind of cuisine, Northern Indian cuisine is more spicier than South because South Indian based cuisines are more into coconut based. They use a lot of coconuts on their dishes, which is fairly enough. It's really a good choice because kung spicy sa taas, yung sa baba, medyo mild yung lasa. So, susunod yung makikita actually is just the food. Okay, kakain na kami, maya-maya. Kaya, medyo ano siya very labor-intensive yung mga dishes. But, if you look at it, even if it's like taking a lot of time to cook, it means that it's cooked thoroughly. It's really different from the rest of the other cuisines that I've tried before. Lalo na pag Indian cuisines. Kasi I've only tried the Southern Indian kind of cuisine. So, I'll talk to you guys in a while pag naka-food set up na kami. So, the first dish that Sir Vikram actually is preparing or cooking is called paya curry. Paya is a traditional food from the Indian subcontinent and it is served with various ingredients such as yung nakikita niyo sa video, yung knuckles ng kambing. Paya actually means legs in Urdu, Hindi Urdu. So it can be made with the trotters of a cow, goat, buffalo, or mutton meat or sheep meat. And usually this is a dish served for guests and also on special occasions like festivals and family gatherings. Out of all the dishes that Sir Vikram cooked for us, this is actually the one that's very, how can I say it, meticulous. Kasi mahaba talaga yung cooking process niya. So, it's really fit for special people. And we feel so honored that he served this for us. And the taste of this, holy mother. I'm just going to say that, holy mother. Dahil sobrang sarap niya, guys. Yung lasa nung karne, tsaka nung spices, it just melts together. And it's not overly spicy. It's very flavorful. And I actually want to try this out sa bahay namin. So, this is actually called tandoori chicken. And this is mildly spicy according to Sir Vikram, but mostly this is cooked in a tandoor or a cylindrical clay oven. But for now, I think Sir Vikram is going to just grill this. And this is actually good. It's juicy. It doesn't have the skin. So kung health conscious kayo, this is really great. So this is actually one of the main dishes, which are the tikka, chicken tikkas. This one that Sir Vikram is showing us is the mint yogurt tikka. So basically, it has mint and yogurt, it's chicken, and wala siyang skin. And then the other two, from the other two containers, are other two tikkas that he prepared. But I will just let Sir Vikram talk more about it in this part.
You go. This one is chicken tikka. Chicken tikka. Yeah, chicken tikka marinade.
This one is a bit spicy.
This is spicy. You can see already how it is.
Yes.
You know, threatening you. If you will look at the glaze and the brightness of the color, that comes with the marination of mustard oil. Mustard oil with 5 different types of chilies that we have used in it. Right? And put it on skewer. We fold and put it on skewer. Now you may want to ask the question, why do we fold it?
Yeah.
To keep the juices intact. Because it will cook from 4 sides, but in the center it will again cook with the heat, but it will keep the juices intact. So right cut of meat and right way to put it on skewer also plays an important, very important role in making the kebab or tikka delicious. So when you grill it, you really have to make it, you know, on the skewer, pull it on the skewer with a consistency level. So if you look at it, you will see the folds, how consistent it is. When it will grill, it will give you one shape.
Like about 1 inch thick when you fold it.
Yes, you can say so. But when we slice it, it is a quarter or maybe less than an inch.
Oh. So this is actually the first one Sir Vikram was preparing, and on the next clip, he will start preparing the mint yogurt chicken tikka. So talking about chicken tikka, from Tikka Tales, this is basically a dish that is small pieces of boneless chicken baked using the skewers on a brazier called angiti after marinating in Indian spices or dahi. Just like this one, this is marinated in yogurt and also in mint. So medyo may greenish color siya, guys. Sobrang nakakatuwa yung itsura niya. Ay, Kuya Win, ano yan?
Chicken tikka.
Wait lang. Wait tayo. Walang ilaw eh. Walang ilaw. Ayan. Chicken tikka. How does it taste?
Nice. I already taste, but this one is more masarap. Like before.
What makes it more masarap?
More masarap because I used to eat before in Abu Dhabi this kind of chicken tikka, pero mas masarap siya. Try it.
Oh, wait.
Try it.
Try daw natin, guys. Biglang nagtago si Earl. Try natin, guys. Ayan o.
Ay. Thank you, madam. Ano siya? May sausawan pa yan.
Ay, saan pa to? Yes.
Pero alam mo yung flavor niya, sarap.
Kuya, ay, guys. Mahangin. The taste is very soft and juicy. The spiciness kind of kicks in. It's really nice. Okay, guys. So, while we're waiting for the tikkas and the kebabs to cook, we have this drink. So, ito, this is made with rose. Guys, ito lang, parang rose juice or rose water siya. It's really, really nice. To be honest, this is one of those drinks that if this is sold in a restaurant or in a cafe, bibilin ko to. It's very mild and sweet and floral. Parang feeling ko nakakabaw ng hininga to. Ganun. I wanna try it again. It's really nice. Ayan o. So, on to the next dish, which is the fish adjowani or adjowan. So, kung nakikita nyo, fish naman siya, guys. Tapos, marinated siya in adjowani, which is a type of herb. I'm not sure if this is available here in the Philippines, but this actually is really good. It has a herby, spicy flavor into it. And mas maganda nga siyang ilagay sa fish. And pwede rin siya sa tikka. You can use cream dory with this. Yung mga madaling ma-marinate na style gamitin nyo if you want to try this out for yourself. So, ito lang guys. Watching Mr. Vikram cook these dishes, sobrang nakaka-enlighten. For someone that likes to cook as well, the dishes that he prepared for us is very intensive in preparation, but it's not lacking in flavor. Kasi may mga dishes na napakaganda nung pagkaka-prepare, nung pagkakaluto, yung pala kulang sa spices or sa flavor. This one does not miss that heat. Okay, the heat factor is there, but it's not intimidating or it's not scary. So, ito lang guys, I can just like ask Sir Vikram if he can make this again because it's really, really good. As you can see, puro mga shots ng grilling yung pinapakita ko sa inyo kasi yung ginagawa namin itong shot na to, guys, so ito lang, nagugutom na kami. So, nakikita namin. But it's really enjoyable. So, what from this experience? One thing though is North Indian food and Southern Indian food are totally different. And the way they prepare it is very similar, but it's vastly different from the utensils, from the ingredients, and from the spices. And I learned so much just by the spices that they have. They have a lot of variants that a lot of us Filipinos are not well aware of. And I would just like to say thank you to Sir Vikram Singh for opening his home for us and, giving us this amazing meal that he actually cooked for us throughout the afternoon. And although this vlog is quite short, it was a long process to make. And thank you so much, Sir Vikram. If you guys would like to know more about Vikram Singh and also his passion in cooking, you can follow him in his Facebook account, which is Tikka Tales, and also and also add him on Facebook if you can. But if not, just go to Tikka Tales and you'll know more about his passion. So for now, I have to go, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye!